I bought the hat, or Taylor bought the hat for me. Hey guys, what's going on? We're at Animal Kingdom and we're gonna take a look at all the Christmas decorations that are brand new this year. Let's go get jolly. So we're walking over by Island Mercantile. So we're by the Tree of Life. And you can see there's garland up. And obviously Christmas music playing. Ooh, they've got some wreaths turning on. Whoa.
Tell her we've been good, right? Not getting into any trouble.
Oh, look at him. He's cool. Love it. There's a reindeer.
You're so cute.
Oh. Hi, buddy.
Haha, penguins. Forget them. Exactly.
Yeah, she like keeps score.
And I love the paint. So good. Oh, you ticklish Henry's neck. I didn't mean to So what's her name? I call him Oliver. Oliver. Oh, dear for short.
Oh, that makes sense.
I know you don't think it's funny. I love it. Thank you. I think it's so adorable.
Can you imagine if Pascal saw one of those? He would freak out. Look at the penguins. Do you have a picture of them? They're so cute. I made more friends.
You made more friends?
Pascal's gonna be mad.
Yes.
They want to come home with me.
Oh god.
I don't know if they're fighting or they're communicating or what. But it looks intense. Aww.
So adorable.
I can't get enough of these. All the penguins are around with the mom. Or the dad. I don't know.
Mark, hello. Nice to meet you. Aww.
Look at him.
Aww.
Oh, he's tired.
No,
he's loving it.
He's loving it. He's loving it.
All right, we're walking into Pandora and we found this wall of colorfulness. And it looks awesome. And there's penguins and polar bears.
This is currently cleverly disguised as a jolly old elf. This is still an
All right,
old
so
ant
we're
suit.
in Pandora now. So they've got the wreaths up here, they've got the trees, but this is cool. They've got a banshee.
And then the things that are like avatar horses, whatever they're called.
Avatar horses.
Yeah.
We're trademarking that. Ooh, Creature Comfort's got lights on. The sun's starting to go down. We're going into Africa now. And we're gonna go see all the Christmas lights. We've got wreaths up, and it's cool because you can see that it's changing a little bit with the area that we're going into. And you've got some awesome performances going on. Just to give you an idea of where we're at, the Kilimanjaro Safari is over there, and over on the right is Rafiki's Planet Watch. Well, the tram to take you there anyway. We've got a nice Christmas tree here. Let's go take a look at that. There's lights. Looks like there's a wheel in there. There's a little elephant. And there's a hidden Mickey right there if you look. So I just wanted to give you a close-up view of one of the wreaths. So this one is a bicycle tire, it looks like. And they've got little ball ornaments that look like birds almost. We're currently walking into Asia right now. They've got these really nice lanterns. And Up the Great Bird Adventure, I don't know if you guys can see, has all sorts of Christmas lights up there. We're at Discovery Island right now, and we're going to be heading over into Dinoland, USA. I think there's some cool stuff there also. We're in Dinoland, and I see dinosaurs and such lighting up. Look at the Brachiosaurus.
He has a little beard and a Santa hat.
It's a Santa Brachiosaurus.
Santa-osaurus.
Santa-osaurus.
Santosaurus.
Santosaurus?
Santosaurus.
We'll debate this for another 20 minutes. Oh, look at this. So we're by Dinosaur, so lots of lights in the foliage. So we're talking about the Brachiosaurus out there, which was going to be a Santosaurus. This is Santosaurus. Donald's Dino Bash truck is all decorated.
So I surprised Steven with some jingle spirit.
You've been wondering why I've been jingling all the time. That's why. Look at this. Wait, so there's a button where you can change the colors, and then look. It's a sipper.
Yeah! Now how many modes can you get?
How many? Oh.
2 other ones, I think. That's white. There's red. Oh, I can choose the colors.
Yeah, it changes color.
All red.
All green.
I
All right, so we're walking out of Dinoland into Discovery Island, and we found Doug's tree.
There's dog toys on
There's
it.
dog toys all over it in a water bowl.
And it has the cone of shame.
The cone of shame.
Oh, and there's Russell's.
Oh, there's Russell's, and he's got marshmallows on the top.
So we couldn't find any snacks in the park that are Christmassy. They have like new like Lion King ones, but not like Christmas.
We'll save that for another day.
Yeah.
So we bought chocolate instead.
The peppermint ones.
All right, so we're outside the gates of Animal Kingdom, and I wanted to show you guys the main attraction. They've got this beautiful Christmas tree.
That's a big tree.
They've got Jiminy Cricket on there.
There's Eeyore.
There's Eeyore. Wasn't Piglet over there or
Piglet?
something?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Piglet's over there.
That's chicken.
It's just gorgeous. There's Roo. Oh, look at the snow globe with Chippendale. And King Louie. And look, there's a hidden Mickey. Oh, it's Stitch. And Zazu. And Tigger. Alright guys, that does it for Animal Kingdom. We will be back at Animal Kingdom at some point for another video. And we have plenty more coming. And don't forget.
And food.
Food. Bye guys.